Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my seedlings section. So I have these Echinocereus pectinat. I'm growing them from seed. I think it's from 2017 already, almost 3 years. I have these ones here. I have some Myrtillo cactus here too. I'm growing them from seed too, it's probably from 2017 too. Okay, and I have some peanut cactus here. They are flowering. I'm trying to, you can see my labels here, pink, white, yellow. I'm trying orange. So I'm trying right now to identify the colors so I can see which colors I have. This is the yellow one. See the flower. Yellow one. The red one. And the orange one. It's actually a really nice bundle right here. Full of color. Okay. Here I have some Lithops, Attica rubra. I'm growing from C2. They're from 2018. I just water them because they're so small. Okay. Here I have some mellow cactus. Just repot like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Okay. And then I have some, I don't know the name, Pachyphytum compactum. A friend of mine gave me 2 leaves and I'm growing them right now. Here I have some golden barrel. All of these I'm growing from seed. They are like 3 years old right now. Myrtillo cactus here too. But mostly golden barrel. I think this is a pharaoh cactus. It looks like a pharaoh cactus. And here I have Chumatucanus polzii. Right here. So I'm trying to grow them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but okay. I've been taking care of them almost 3 years now, I guess. 3-4 years I have them. They're very slow growers. As you guys can see. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions for the next videos, just click down below and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, bye.